So here I am at the Wat Play Lem, one of the well-known temple on Koh Samui. And again, it's really quiet. Few Thai people who are visiting the site, but a part of them, it's really quiet. It's really amazing. I can enjoy this place. There is nobody around. Sometimes it's really hard to make a photo here because there are always much people, but today nobody around. So I wanted to show you that you can make an offer by buying food for the fish. So you need to have a 10 baht coin. And then you take a basket. So you got some food for the fish. As you can see, there are many fishes in the water. And so it's a kind of donation. It's for your karma. It's a good way to attract luck. As you can see, Thai people are doing it too. Even the birds want to eat it. It's kind of a big catfish. So right here at the Wat Lelem, you have an area where you can have an ice cream. I just bought a coconut ice cream and ate it there under the shadow, really quiet and peaceful. It'll be a good break during your visit. And so it's quite huge, sorry. Think around 12 or 40 meters high. So I'm literally alone today. Okay guys, so please subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, and see you in the next video. Bye.